Hey, what's up, y'all? We on our way to the store to go pick up some ingredients for today's show. What's the dish we having?
Zuppa Toscana.
Zuppa Toscana. It's a soup, probably with a steak on the side. I'm not sure, but y'all know how we get down. We love to eat. Pootie's riding with us today. Say hey, Pootie. All right, that's our boy right there. The other ones, they don't like to go to the store with us unless they getting to pick out some snacks or cereal. All right, babe. So what else you gonna have with this Toscana?
Zuppa Toscana. Zuppa it stands for soup. Toscana stands for Tuscan, so it's Tuscan soup. It's Italian soup.
Okay.
I'm gonna make that with garlic sticks, and I know you want a steak.
Of course.
So that's it. Because it has all the vegetables in the soup and everything. So.
Okay. So some of the ingredients we need will be
potatoes, garlic, kale. I'm going to add carrots, I believe. I don't know just yet. Onions, heavy cream, salt, pepper, and Italian sausage and bacon.
I can smell it already. And we're going the best time to go to the grocery store, and that's early Sunday morning. You ain't gonna see hardly nobody in there. Not early Sunday morning. We can get in, dip out. It's like almost having the whole store to yourself. I should have ate some breakfast this morning, y'all. I be tripping on that breakfast tip. I don't like to eat it sometimes. Pootie, you okay back there? Truck, you see truck? What else you see? What else you see back there? Truck? Car? Yeah. All right. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. We'll be in the store when you see us again. All right, y'all, we made it. Say we made it, Pootie. Yeah, we made it. We here. Gonna go in here and grab some few things. Let's get the boss lady. Huh? Hey y'all, I'm tripping. My wife, I got her phone and I just accidentally found something that I didn't even know this thing would do. All right, we're here. We are kicking it at the store. We're about to start grabbing this stuff we need. Let's see, where we're going first.
What is it?
What? All right, I'll be back when we get to what we're about to pick up. All right, so we just grabbed some potatoes here. We sure ain't getting paid for this.
Garlic.
All right, yep, she's got garlic.
I need my onions. What about the onions?
The onions. We're headed to the onions. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. Bam. All right, here we go. The best parts. This is what we really need the refrigerator to be full of right here. The cat. But We ain't gonna fill it up with none of this. We ain't gonna do right. We're gonna get something we don't even need. Talking about all this right here. This is what we need.
Say hi.
You keeping mama busy?
Yes.
Good. All you gotta do is stick your thumb up like that. Stick your thumb up. Stick your thumb up. Say, up, mama, let's go. We're gonna be quiet now.
Oh yeah.
Not gonna say
Yeah,
a
we're
word.
gonna be quiet.
Hey, here go the snacks right here. Them the snacks. My son ain't gonna be too happy with these snacks.
A bag of
Oh yeah, it's
now.
sorted. So yeah, he can do both. Well, they can do both.
We'll just get that instead. Garlic. Tail. Okay.
Road put.
Yes. Let me go ahead and grab some more butter. Waving.
Say what's up. What's up? That's not what's up.
I didn't do it.
All right. All right, y'all. We about to grab a few more things and then we're gonna get up out of here. It's a little slow trying to film and grab these ingredients, so I'm on the mash on it before I get a whooping. But anyway, tonight we'll be showing what we'll be eating, what we'll be cooking, so y'all make sure y'all tune in, and if you hadn't, subscribe. Anything, babe, before we get up?
Nope. Just stay tuned for the meal.
Peace.